Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Now the continuation part of ozone CH. I given the few questions. Now the continuation question part is. Now I am giving the product O3 and second step is dimethyl sulfide. Then here 2 moles of CH2O. It means formaldehyde acid. And another one is this is CH3, this is C double bond O H. This is the product. Then what might be the reactor? Next, CHO plus C double bond O CH3 C double bond O H. Then here also what might be the reactant? Same on arrow. Now these are the reactants. These are the products. Then what might be the again reactant? See, like I can give so many examples, but you have to try to this. Yeah. And one more thing is for to answer this question, at least if it is a double bond here, then in presence of same names, I will give you products. Which is correct? You have to write. Option E. This is A option. B option. This is C option, A and B. D option, so which is the correct answer? Okay, these are the questions. I hope many questions I given for the competitive level also, and this is PUC level also. Don't consider this very high difficulty level. Only thing, remove the oxygen, add the double bond. If reactant given, remove the double bond, add the oxygen left and right side. That is only the simple trick. And one more thing here, CH3 C double bond CH3 same way. Okay. So what is the product form that also you have to answer? Now, ozone analysis part maximally completed. Next part is, that is also you studied that hydration of alkyne in presence of H2SO4 and mercury sulfate. This is also studied. This is called hydration. I think this is the fourth one. Hydration of alkyne. The first one, K2, that is the basic alkyne. The basic alkyne which one? Ethyl. This ethyl reacts with the water molecule. Here nearly 40% of H2SO4 and 1% of HgSO4 nearly at 60 degrees Celsius. 60 degrees Celsius. Now H2 nothing but meaning what is H plus and OH minus. One side NH plus, another side OH. Enough. Because it is symmetrical, any one side have no problem. When it is unsymmetrical, we have to follow the Markovnikov rule. You know very well. Markovnikov rule is what is the negative part of the pH is bonded and the carbon pH which having the less number of hydrogen, which is multiple bonded. Okay. Now, one side have H, another side have OH. Then already H is there here, bond, H, single bond, H. Another side we have to add OH. Then I will add OH. Here how many bonds are there? 3 bonds are there. Carbon valence how much? 4. 1, 2, 3. Then what is the rest? 1 bond. It means by adding these two, 1 bond is out. Cancel. Remaining CH, everything is there. Now carefully observe. This is called vinyl alcohol. Vinyl alcohol already you studied in the alcohol chapter like this is there. This is the same. CH2 double bond CHOH. Vinyl alcohol. So generally vinyl alcohol undergoes tautomization. Tautomization. Already this chapter I told you these are required in textbook. Not that word, but also I explain first reason like this equations are involved. This is shifted here. This is shifted here. Negative charge. This is positive charge. Bond form. Then we will get here H and H. This H also comes. Then totally what is this? CH3. H. This H will be bonded here. CH3. Next, this is single bond, 1 bond out. CH is CH, and this is otherwise separately look at this. CH, and this is double bond. What do you call this is? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. But in examination, many of the students confuse. This is also given, this is also given. Then which is the final product measured? Vinyl alcohol is measured or aldehyde is measured? That is a question. Already in tautomization I explained when monoketone is there, ketone form is measured than the enol form. This enol form is double bond and O. Enol form. This is which form? Ketone form. Here aldehyde is there, but also it is called which one? Ketone form only. Then which is measured form? Ketone form is measured once again. You refer the tautomization. This is. Now take one more alkyne. CH3. This one. Now this is propyne. 3 carbon and triple bond. Same reaction. Sometimes this is given like this. H plus. This is given as Hg plus water. At 60 degrees Celsius. Sometimes temperature they may not mention. So I will not temperature mentioned, but in your question not mentioned. You have to mention that is 60 degrees Celsius only. If not mentioned also. Okay? Like this. So you told that here HbSO4 and HgSO4 they are only H plus and Hg plus. Its meaning as it is H plus, this is in the form of Hg plus 2. Here this is act as a catalyst. Hg plus 2 act as a catalyst. So now, see, now follow the Markovnikov rule. This side one hydrogen, this side no hydrogen at this triple bonded carbon. That's why in water molecule OH is bonded at which side? Left side, not right side. Therefore, we will get here CH3, C, OH, double bond, CH and H. When these are bonded, one bond will be out, remaining 2 bonds are left. So now, again we undergo ketoenol tautomization. Now, carefully observe, this will be bonded here, this will become here. Then CH3, C, double bond O, CH2, and this H. This is converted to CH3. What do you call this is? Acetone. Then based on this, what you concluded? Only this basic alkyne only give the aldehyde, remaining all give the ketone. Why? This next alkyne only. 2 carbon alkyne is 3 carbon alkyne. So if you take the 4 carbon alkyne also, it gives which one? Ketone. That's why carefully you have to observe the thing is ethyne only gives the aldehyde, remaining all alkyne gives the ketones. But one thing you have to remember, when you are taking the Markovnikov rule, sometimes it undergo rearrangement, which gives a stable carbohydrate. It is according to electrophilic addition. I mean, it is first carbohydrate form, next for the reaction. But here there is no rearrangement. That's why keep in mind, note down, there is no rearrangement products. Because you may be studied already in alcohol chapter also, and it may be in the haloalkane chapter also. In alkane first is also Markovnikov rule, when you are taking that, sometimes rearrangement product possible. But in this case there is no rearrangement product because this mercury form is cyclic mercurium ion. That's why there is no rearrangement. That is a very important thing for competitive exam. Okay. Now I will take one more alkyne. CH3, C triple bond, CH3. Same reagent I am taking now. If I am taking this type of alkyne, I will get properly. Now, CH3, C triple bond, CH3. Same reagents. Now, then what we are expecting here? Which side OH will attack? Here H is there, that will not attack. Here no H is there, that will OH attack at the left side. But here both sides no H. Any one of the side it attack. If any one of the side attack, then what is the product form? CH3. I am writing that product. Enol form I am not writing. This enol form. This is ketone form. This is major. So major only I am writing as a product. If left side attack, then double bond O CH2 CH3. Okay, like this one. If right side attack, CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH. Then both are same or different? Same one. Because numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are having the butane 2 same butane 2O. Its name are the same. That's only one product is possible. There is no two products. But now CH3 C triple bond C CH2 CH3. This is symmetrical. Symmetrical means when you cut like this, then equal parts mirror image each other. But here if you cut, then you will not get the equal. Left side CH3, right side ethyl propane. Then it is unsymmetrical. When it is unsymmetrical, then what are the products possible? Same reagent. Now, here also there is no hydrogen. Here also there is no hydrogen. When there is no hydrogen, any one of the side attack. Any one of the side attack. If left side attack, what is the product? If right side attack, what is the product? That also you can say. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH2, CH. When OH attack left side, this product. If attack right side, then I am writing a product CH2, CH2, C double bond O, CH2, CH. Both are same or different? Compulsory we have to check the name. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its name pentane 2O. What is the name? Pentane 2O. Its name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right to left also same numbering. Left to right also same numbering. That's what is called pentane 3O. Both are different. That's why E. Now you may ask the question, which is major? Pentane 2O major or pentane 3O is major? Now these are nearly equal amount form. In one small difference may be there, but nearly equal amount form. Like this question will ask in the competitive exam. In PUC level, simplest one reaction, second reaction. Now, these are the extent. Same reason, yes, I put the left, right groups are different. Only alkanes are there. But competitive exam purpose, what they will ask? Some extent. Same concept, some extent. If anything is changed, then what will be the next? But keep in mind, whatever I am writing, the first 1, 2, 3 equations are PUC purpose, remaining equations extent is competitive form. So like they ask, both are equal amount form, nearly equal amount. No one is major here, nearly equal amount. Now, one question is pH means benzene, other will take the benzene only, but other you will confuse. Like this here. Now this is also unsymmetrical. One side benzene is there, another side CH3. If here hydration in presence of H plus Hg plus to 60 degrees Celsius, then what will be the product? What you are expecting? Expecting is two products or one product. I hope two products already shown here. Both are in equal amount. Here also equal amount or not, you have to judge. This is a question I am giving. I am writing the product, but you have to write the answer. So already I explained the concept. How many products form? Two products form. I given here two products. But here the question is both are in equal amount or anyone is measured. So in that case it is equal amount form. But here equal amount form or not, you have to judge. How to judge? You know that by using the first year all concept in negative, isometric or any other negative. That respect you have to answer. Okay? And one more this extent I am asking here the question is up to here only your part. Next part also I am asking here. I2 and any OH. Even iodine form reaction anywhere you will heard this one in halocene chapter. So in these, which one gives iodine form? First one or second one? It gives or not. That also completely extended analysis. So which one gives iodine form? This is considered A. This is considered B. Which will use the iodoform reaction? That we have to answer. If you know the iodoform reaction. Okay. This is one of the preparation part is completed. Next part is hydroboration oxidation. This is I think fifth one. Hydroboration oxidation. This reaction already you studied in alcohol chapter in preparation of alcohol. Some headings may not appear in your textbook, so little bit fun. If not appearing, you have to consider this somewhat extend to CD, D, J level. Appearing, that is only follow for your PUC. Now, alkene react with the BH3, then it gives the alcohol. Now here alkynes, H, C triple bond CH react with the BH3 and taking here THF as a solvent and water molecule and NaOH and H2O2 hydrogen peroxide. This already we know this content in alcohol chapter. Now, see in BH3. This BH2 part attack one side and the OH part from this water molecule attack another side. The simplest form I will show here. This is the alkyne when two bonds form, one double bond will last. So one double bond I am not requiring, only two bonds are there. Here three, here two is. So it forms like this. totally what do you call this? BH3. H, BH2, totally BH3. Later it will be 3 bonds. This third one is. Later reaction with this water molecule and H2O2 and NaOH. This will be breaker. This H and this side only. CH2 double bond. This double bond left and here CH. This will be removed and OH will come from the water molecule. Then OH. Again this is one vinyl alcohol. See. CH2 double bond CHOH. What do you call this? Vinyl alcohol. This is and the same. Now it undergoes tautomerization. Tautomerization you should always have the equilibrium symbol. So this is tautomerization. Then this bond will come to here. This will come to here. Then CH2 and this H. CH3. Single bond, one bond out, and CH double bond with this bond and this one, double bond O. What is this? Estradiol. Now, this mechanism no need to write, just this reactant, and you have to write this and this one. This is only for I give you your understanding purpose. In examination, no need to write this. Only for your understanding purpose. Immediately write this one and this. Enough. Okay? Next, I will take one more example here. CH3, C triple bond CH. And same here BH3 and all this as it is, there is no change. Now, there also we studied in alcohol chapter, it undergoes same addition, there is no rearrangement and what do you call it? Always anti-marconic of product. Here it is symmetrical, that's what we are not discussing, which is which attack the left side or right side. But here it is unsymmetrical. Now in water molecule H plus is there, OH minus is there. But which side attack the OH minus, left side or right side? Anti-Marconic of flow. Anti-Marconic of flow means opposite to the Marconic. Marconic of means what is that? Negative part of the ring attached to the multiple bond atom is having less number of atoms. Marconic of opposite what is that? The negative part of the ring added to the multiple bond is having more number of atoms. So here one item here no atom. So anti-Marconic of respective product. So I am writing this one. This is removing now. CH3 C double bond, one bond out, and here CHOH. This is vinylic alcohol. This is exactly vinyl alcohol. This type of alcohol, vinyl alcohol, right? Then this will be tautomerized. Then we will get here. This is simple. I am not writing always tautomerization. You have to insert tautomerization. Then CH3, CH3. Here negative charge is H. CH. Okay, actually here one hydrogen required. I forgot here. Then it is tautomerization. Now we can write opposite downwards, no problem. Then this H will be added here. CH is there, this H. CH2. And next this will be C double bond O H. This is called propanolide. Propanolide. Then you may ask the question: we will get any ketone? When we get a ketone? When it is not terminal. This terminal alkyne, it means triple bond at the end, maybe right side end. Left side end. If you take the internal alkyne means multiple bond in the middle. Anyway, inside. It is outside. Okay. Now BH3 and this one C. Now here there is no what do you call Marconic of anti-Marconic because equal is there. This symmetrical. Anyone can add, no problem. Now I am adding left side, consider OH, double bond, H, CH. Again undergo E0 atomization. This will be comes to here, this will be comes to here. Then we will get here CH3C double bond to CH. Already H is this H added here. Then here CH2 and this CH3. What do you call this? Is total 4 carbon. But A2O. When we are getting the ketone, when internal. When we are getting the aldehyde, when it is terminal outside. Okay. But if you want to get reaction with BH, some other boranes also there. That boranes name I am writing here. Some state will be asked. What are the boranes? One is this boron also same reaction. Another one SiA2BH. This also gives the same reaction. This one also gives the same reaction. But compared with this BH, these are bulky boranes. This is called BH is boron. So this is bulky boron. That's why these are attacked where less hindered side. If more hindered is there, this triple bond. Here like this group is there. Like, but here like this only.